Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing my project pan update, and I have put some new things in there just because I've run out of other things. So instead of saying things, let me show you what. Let me just get the box. Look at this, guys. It is really full. There's more than 20 products in here now. Right, so this isn't project pan really. It's kind of like an unofficial project pan. I'm about halfway done with it, I would say. What I do with this is put it on my sponge. It's the Boots Glow Brightening Mist, just to kind of give me like a more awake look, a more glowy look. So I use that. So that is unofficial project pan. Also, this has been rolled in as a project pan as well now. It's fairly new to the collection, excuse the pun, as it is called collection. It's the Primed and Ready Dewy Makeup Fixing Spray. I was using a different setting spray and that's completely gone out of the collection. I think it'll be in here somewhere as it's empty. I've rolled this one in. Then we've got this hydrating facial mist because I used the what was it called, Grace and Stella one I got in the Birchbox. I can't remember the name of it. That should be in here as well. So this one is from Primark, so this one has been rotated in as well. I've not really used it that much. I've had probably about 1 or 2 uses from it. Oh yeah, this was the setting spray I finished. It was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish setting spray. I didn't like it, guys. When I originally bought it, I thought I liked it, but the scent of it was kind of off-putting. I probably would have liked the rose one a little bit more than this, but I can't get it in my local Boots. So yeah, this one can go in empties now. Right, primers. So this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake primer is in my everyday makeup drawer. I literally have this bit here to do, and then I've completely used it all up. So I'll probably cut into it as well just to get every last bit out of it. But yeah, this one is project pan now as well. Also, this is in project pan, this little mini that I got in last month's glossy box. I didn't really feel the need to put it back into my everyday collection, not everyday collection, into my makeup collection, just because there isn't that much left, guys. There is literally not even half, and it's only a really small sample anyway. So I thought I would keep it in my everyday makeup drawer till it's gone. So again, that's project pan. Concealer is the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. I brought this one in because I used all the Rimmel one up finally. I do like it. It's just, I would say, I just don't know. I'm not 100% on it. It's okay. It's better than the Rimmel one. It's lighter than the Rimmel one. But I'm still trying it out. That's what I would say. But either way, I'm going to be using it all up. I don't like to see waste. That one was the old one. I've used it completely up. You can see all the windows. In the actual tube, I actually took the stopper out. I can't get any more out of this. You can even see it down there. It's completely empty. So that one can go in empties. Then we've got this Technique lip oil. I have used so much of this up. Can you see the window there? We're probably getting down to about half, and I do need to get another one of these, but as the shops have closed in the UK, I'm probably not going to be able to get one of these for at least a good month. So I'm hoping I'll get at least a good month out of that before it goes on me completely. Foundations, I brought this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake makeup to use. There's barely any in here. You can see I've had to scrape it here to actually get any out. What I've got to do is I've got to unscrew the top and then like kind of put it on my face like that, which isn't ideal, but I want to use it all up. so I'm using that. I'm also using the Rimmel SPF 15 BB cream. I haven't used that in a couple of weeks, but it is in my project pan. So that's that. Then of course we've got the Revolution and Imagination Highlight to the Moon palette. Absolutely love this palette. I saw on the Revolution website that this had gone down to £5, and I thought to myself, shall I get a backup? But I've got so many contour palettes, I really don't need it. So we're concentrating on these two. As you can see the ring in there. It's not going to be long before I've completely hit pan. This one, however, is a little bit trickier. What I do is I mix them both together, but I don't really use that much of that one. If it gets to the point where I've used all this one up, I might just not use that because it is too dark for me by itself. And then next year I'll bring it out again and we'll use the highlighters. I'm just getting a bit fed up with it, guys. I need to bring something else out and use that. Right, bronzers. So we've got this one. So originally this wasn't even in Project Pan, but I've done such a great job with it, as you'll see now. I mean, I've hit pan down that side, I'm hitting pan down this side. It's just this bit in the middle that's the thickest part of the bronzer that is I'm struggling with, but it's a really nice glowy bronzer. So if I've got a matte bronzer, I tend to put a little bit of this over the top. It's the Physicians Formula Sexy Booster Bronzer, by the way, guys. Had it for a hot minute. The next bronzer here is the Chanel Tan de Chanel. Soleil Tan de Chanel. I can never pronounce that. I have used it, but I've only used it once, so it's the same update as the previous month. I do need to use this a lot more and make some serious progress with it. I can see me still having it in the project next year. Right, and then we're going on to the excuse me, to the MAC Soft and Gentle. Really like this. I have been using this a lot more this year. This month have I used it? I think I've used it once or twice. I haven't used it an awful lot just because I have had some fairly new highlighters in the collection, so I've been concentrating on them. Right, so brow products. I've got two in here. I am using other brow products as well, but I definitely want to use this one up. It's the Makeup Gallery Slay the Brow. It's really nice. This was a holy grail until I came across the Makeup Obsession Fluffy Brows. I absolutely love that, and that's what I'm wearing today. And then we've got this More Brows, and this was the culprit that got me into fibre gel. I do like it, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't pay the price that they're asking for. So I'm just going to continue to get the Makeup Obsession one when I run out of it, as it is really good anyway. I would say it's better than this one. It's probably more my shade. What else have we got? Blushes. So we've got two. We've got the NARS Orgasm, and I don't know why I put this in for the life of me. I think it's because it's getting older now. It's more on the older side, and I've had it a while, and I just thought, well, why not put it into a project pan? And I have been using it this year, but I've not used it an awful lot. I should have really just put minis in and tried using them up. Speaking of minis, we've got this one. So this one is a Too Faced Love Flush Love Hangover, and I have made a bit of progress on this one. I have worn out the TF emblem that's on it, and you can see I have used quite a bit. So yeah, there's that. Right, there's some single eyeshadows by Colourpop. So we've got Cheap Date and also Hanky Panky. I've not used this. I mean, I know I haven't used it this month, but I haven't used it for a long time. I found it today. I reorganised my everyday makeup drawer and put some different storage in there, which you'll see when I do my Shop My Stash next week. And I saw all these eyeshadows and I wanted them so where I could see them. There was they weren't in like a good storage container, so I wanted them where I could see them. And yeah, that's what they're looking like now. This one is kind of drying up a little bit. Cheap Day. It's all crumbly as well. I don't know what to do with this. I might just, yeah, let's declutter this one as well. Let's call that done. But this one isn't. So yeah, we'll keep that out. Then I've got the NYX eyeshadow base, and I've used quite a bit of this since I pulled it out originally. It's just in white. Also, last month, if you remember when I did my project pan update, this kind of shattered in the drawer, so I got rid of all the powder, and there is a little bit left in the corners here, so I am going to use that up. And then we've just got some perfumes. So I am making progress on this Colleen Butterflies one. It looks like that. I've used about a quarter by the looks of it. So what I've been doing lately, I saw it on someone's video, what they do is layer perfume, and I thought I would bring this one in and layer it with that one, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. I love this Nicki Minaj perfume though. I'm just wearing it by itself now. Love it. So they're both in project pan now. Like, that's my, so this is my perfume project pan. So yeah, really like that. And then guys, that is completely everything apart from lipsticks, which you see every single time. All I've got in lipsticks in project pan is that Dior one in the shade Underground, I think it is, and then my Deck of Scarlet lip gloss. So yeah, that's the only thing I've got in project pan in lipsticks, and that is everything that you've seen. So guys, I hope I've got more to report next month. I think I'm going to concentrate more on this next month, well, this upcoming month, as we're in November now. Sorry this video's late, by the way. I am going to try and get it up as soon as possible for you guys. But yeah, we'll concentrate more on this, and hopefully I can give you more of an update on it at the end of the month. It's just a cream bronzer, and I don't really like cream bronzers, but it is in the collection. It is very expensive and it needs to be used up. So guys, this concludes my project pan update for the month of October. Had to think that this year is going so quick, isn't it? It's soon be Christmas. So guys, please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Please share and of course comment. I love reading your comments. They absolutely make my day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.